We are at Donington. I was going to do an intro at my house, but obviously didn't have time. We left, well, I had to go quite quickly after changing my brake pads and all that sort of stuff. Didn't really have time. But got Mant's car, got me, got Tomic. He's just changing his wheels to his MRF tyres. Hello.
Hello there.
Saying hello to the vlog, my friend. Yeah, he's just changing his tyres to his MRFs. But yeah, we're going to sign in a minute, go some sighting laps, and yeah, should be a good day. The weather's looking good. As we've been standing here waiting to sign in, there's just more and more BMWs and M3s that have turned up. M3, we'll count M3s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh that's an M2, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 M3s and a lot of other BMWs and some really spicy cars here, so it should be a good day. So we have managed to...
In your other video, when the boys were there, you were like talking to the camera and laughing like there was people there, but it didn't show that there was people there.
Oh, they know now. The YouTubes now they know. Now they know that there were anyway. Yes, we're in the garages now. We managed to.
Yo guys, it's your boys.
Yo guys, it's Dawn. On evening sessions, I think apparently you could have bought garages, but we didn't, and we just managed to find one. So all the cars are here. He's just a pretend vlogger. I'm a real vlogger. Well, yeah, we're about to go on our sighting laps. Yeah, look how cool this looks. But yeah, we're about to go on our sighting laps soon, hopefully, and yeah, should be a good day.
yeah, go on, man.
We are walking on the track because I lost my wing end plate, and we've been allowed to go on the track at Donington to find it. So we're all, I got some help. And we're going to find it, hopefully. Oh, that looks cool. Look at the back now. You got it?
You've got one screw.
Let's go. That's fine.
Right, everybody look for a screw now.
Yes, give it.
It's actually not bad.
It's not too
It's about as good as it came, to be fair.
That's China, that is, yeah.
No, to be fair, it's scratched a little bit, but...
Well done to you, anyway.
Oh, God. I mean, Audi fans would probably argue it's S. Oh! Please fall down, David. Well, I could have done a fake fall at least.
Do you want me to jump off again and do a roly-poly?
Yeah, go on.
Late one.
Parkour.
That was too hard.
Let's go. Turned up in Leicester City. Car's parked up, we're going to get some food. Let's get it. Right, so I was just editing this video and I realised that I did not film an outro on that day, so I'm doing it now, which is like 2 weeks after track day, but doesn't matter. I'm actually doing it second time now because my camera died the first time. So anyway, yeah, the day was amazing at Donington. It was my first time driving Donington on coilovers and the semi slicks, and yeah, it was amazing. The car felt completely different to what it was before, and I've driven Donington like 2 or 3 times now before this new setup, and yeah, the car feels amazing. There's so much more, like, so you can go so much faster around the corners and just feel so much more stable and planted. It's yeah, it's crazy, but it's not really explainable. Like it's so hard to explain in words how much better it is. You just kind of have to try it, or going someone that has the setup. So if anyone's ever around when I'm there on the track there, I'm happy to show you, but it's just, yeah, the difference is like unexplainable. But yeah, I had to go with Mant's car. He's got an M3 as well, but he's got slightly wider tyres at the rear. He's got KW suspension versus my BCs, and he has AR1 tyres instead of my MRFs, and his car felt a bit more planted. Like my car feels a bit more twitchy, so it's almost like harder to go as fast. But when we're out on track, we're pretty like, you know, similar. He doesn't really get away from me, I don't get away from him if I'm leading. So you're pretty like even on track, but it seems like my car's just a bit more tricky to drive, just a bit more like, you know, on the edge. So I don't know what that's about, but I'm going to try and explore that. I don't know if it's the tyre pressures or just the fact that his coilovers were like 3 times as much. I don't know what that's about. So yeah, I'm going to try and explore that, but I will be doing that in 3 or 4 weeks time when we're back on track at Donington for another evening session. So like 20th of July, I think. So if anyone's going, I'll be seeing you there. But yeah, it was a really good day. Car felt amazing. We all had fun. It was a good day. Walking the track was good. I'm sure you saw the footage. It's the first time I've done that, and yeah, it was pretty cool actually, pretty cool. You don't actually realise how like big the dips are on the track when you're just driving, but when you're walking it and you like look back, you're like, whoa, that's like a big hill that you actually go down on. But yeah, it was a really good day, and looking forward to the next one, so I'll see you then.